You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this distillery in Scotland, and of course the name of this Scotch Whisky if you want to learn more confusing distillery names that are very often mispronounced from Scotland. Scottish, stay tuned. Pronounced as Tomatin Highland single malt, so either Tomatin or Tomatin, Tomatin or Tomatin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.